Alexander Grigorievich Lukashenko or Alexander Ryhorevich Lukashenko is a Belarusian politician who has served as the first and only president of Belarus since the establishment of the office on the 20th of July 1994. Prior to his political career, Lukashenko worked as director of a state farm and served in the Soviet border troops and in the Soviet army. Lukashenko continued state ownership of key industries in Belarus after the dissolution of the Soviet Union and retained important Soviet-era symbolism, which can be seen in the coat of arms and national flag of Belarus. Adopted following a controversial 1995 referendum, which were based on the symbols of the Belarusian SSR. Following the same referendum, Lukashenko was given more power by becoming allowed to dismiss the Supreme Soviet of Belarus. The Russian language was given the same status as Belarusian, and economic ties with Russia were strengthened, which furthermore led to the creation of the Union State with Russia, which allows Belarusians to freely travel to work and study in Russia, and vice versa. However, relations with Russia have not always run smoothly under his tenure, such as during the Milk Wars. Lukashenko heads an authoritarian government, and has often been referred to by media outlets as Europe's last dictator. Elections are not considered to be free and fair by international monitors. Opponents of the regime are repressed, and the media is not free, leading to sanctions on Lukashenko and other Belarusian officials being imposed. His government's handling of the COVID-19 pandemic in Belarus led to widespread public discontent towards his administration. The disputed 2020 Belarusian presidential election led to widespread allegations of vote rigging, which strongly amplified anti-government protests, where Lukashenko is facing unprecedented opposition to his rule. Protesters have faced violent persecution by the authorities. A statement by the United Nations Human Rights Office on 1 September cited more than 450 documented cases of torture and ill-treatment of detainees, as well as reports of sexual abuse and rape. Following the contested election, Lukashenko is not recognized by the European Union and the United States as the legitimate president of Belarus. Lukashenko was born on 31 August 1954 in the settlement of Kopys in the Vitebsk Oblast of the Belarusian Soviet Socialist Republic. Starting with an interview given in 2009, Lukashenko has said that his actual birthday is 31 August, the same as his son's Nikolai's. This caused some confusion as all official sources had said 30th of August 1964 up until then. An explanation was later given that his mother had entered the hospital on the 30th in labor but not given birth until after midnight. His maternal grandfather, Trokhim Ivanovich Lukashenko, had been born in the Sumy Oblast of Ukraine near Shoska. Lukashenko grew up without a father in his childhood, leading him to be taunted by his schoolmates for having an unmarried mother. Due to this, the origin of his patronymic Grigorievich is unknown and there are various rumors about who Lukashenko's father might have been, with the most popular version being that he was a Roma gypsy passing through the region. His mother, Ekaterina Trofimovna Lukashenko, gave birth to another son, Alexander's older brother, who died. Ekaterina worked unskilled jobs on a railway, at a construction site, at a flax factory in Osha, and finally as a milkmaid in Alexandria, a small village in the east of Belarus, close to the Russian border. Lukashenko went to Alexandria Secondary School. He graduated from the Mogilev Pedagogical Institute in 1975. After 4 years studying there and the Belarusian Agricultural Academy in Hoi in 1985. He served in the Border Guard from 1975 to 1977, where he was an instructor of the Political Department of Military Unit No. 2187 of the Western Frontier District in Brest and in the Soviet Army from 1980 to 1982. In addition, he led an all-Union Leninist Young Communist League chapter in Mogilev from 1977 to 1978. While in the Soviet Army, Lukashenko was a deputy political officer of the 120th Guards Motor Rifle Division, which was based in Minsk. He later rejoined as a tank specialist in 1979. He joined the ranks of the CPSU. After leaving the military, he became the deputy chairman of a collective farm in 1982 and in 1985. He was promoted to the post of director of the Gorodets State Farm and Construction Materials Plant in the Sklor district. In 1987, he was appointed as the director of the Gorodets State Farm in Sklor district and in early 1988 was one of the first in Mogilev region to introduce a leasing contract to a state farm. In 1990, Lukashenko was elected deputy to the Supreme Council of the Republic of Belarus, having acquired a reputation as an eloquent opponent of corruption. Lukashenko was elected in April 1993 to serve as the interim chairman of the Anti-Corruption Committee of the Belarusian Parliament. In